Okay, the to-goes are ready for the vacationers. I made dal, chicken curry, rice, and making some fried gizzard, liver, and heart. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Hi guys, it's Chandra. So I'm going to give you my take on Bunjal heart, liver, and gizzard. So here I separated the liver from the heart and the gizzard, so just because the cooking process is a little bit different, and you'll see once I get closer to cooking. So for the ingredients is, of course, the heart, liver, and gizzard. I have a whole onion that I'm only going to use a half of. I have a 3/4 of garlic, a scotch bonnet, bandana, and for the dry ingredients I have curry powder, mixin, and geera. And you'll notice my ratio to curry powder to my mixin is a little bit more, only because I like my curry for this bunjal to be a little bit darker than usual curry. So let's go ahead and start the cooking process. For my first step, I'm going to go ahead and heat up, here I have about 5 tablespoons of hot oil. I'm going to go ahead and toss in my onions and bandana to go ahead and fry up. So here my onion, garlic, and bandana is frying up in the pan. I'm going to go ahead and give this another 1.5 minutes to cook. And then I'm going to go ahead and put in my mixture of curry paste. Okay, so my onions are well fried. Sorry, I was busy opening my glass of wine. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put in my curry powder paste, and I'm going to give this a toss up, and then I'll show you what it looks like. So this has been frying up for a good 3 to 4 minutes. I want to give this masala a really good fry. And if you notice, I added a little bit extra oil because you want this bunjal heart, liver, and gizzard to get a good fry in it. I'm not making this very liquidy. If you like, you could. But normally, we like it dry. So I'm going to go ahead and let this fry up a little bit more. As you see, it's still cooking. I'm going to let this cook about another 1.5 minutes. And cheers. Cheers. So now that my masala has the right color that I'm looking for, I'm going to go ahead and toss in my heart and gizzard. I'm going to give this a quick toss, and then after a few minutes I'm going to go ahead and put in my liver and salt to taste. So this is my heart and gizzard that just went in the pot for chunking. After maybe about 5 minutes, I will go ahead and add in my liver. I'm sorry I didn't mention the salt process. I just add maybe about 1 teaspoon to 2 teaspoons. Of course, it's to your liking of your salt intake. So I'll get back to you. Okay, so my heart and gizzard has been frying. As you can see, it lost a lot of water. Now I'm going to go in with my liver, and I'm going to go ahead and add in my salt to taste. I know it doesn't look appetizing, but trust me guys, this is really good. This is actually one of my late grandmother's extremely favorite dish. So this is reminding me of her. So I hope she's actually guiding me through this process. So here's to my grandma, Ma. So I went in with my salt. I gave this a good toss up. I put in my habanero pepper. I'm not going to pop it just yet. I don't want my curry to be super spicy for those who might be eating it later. But again, I'll pop it towards the end when it's almost dried down. And again, I'm not going to add too much water to this dish. As you can see, it's already released a lot of liquid on its own. So I'm going to let this go ahead and simmer down for maybe about a good 20 to 25 minutes. And I'll give you a checkpoint halfway. Alright guys, so this is my halfway point. Really more like 3/4. I just got busy doing stuff. But here is, I think it's almost pretty done. You want all of this liquid to be dried up and fried up. So this way the meat gets to fry up really good in that mixture of the masala and geera and curry powder. Whew, I lost words. But anyway, give this another toss up. It should be done in another, I want to say another 10 minutes the way it looks. So I'm going to toss this up, and then I'll show you in 10 minutes. So here we have it, guys. All my liquid has dried down, and this is my final product. There, you're gonna notice there's a teeny bit of water at the bottom, and that's okay. I like that. I like it like that. So I'm gonna go plate this up, and then let's show you what it is. So along with my Bunjal heart, liver, and gizzard, I also made some dal, and in my dal I had put some fresh poi bhaji that I had picked from my garden. So you could also make your dal with whatever you choose. You can make it plain, you could have spinach in it, you could have celery in it, however you like it. You could also boil that in with your dal. So here today I made, of course, the heart, gizzard, and liver with dal and rice, and with poi bhaji in my dal. So here's to it. I hope my grandma's really proud of me because I worked really hard just to get it perfect the way she likes it, and I think it does look absolutely perfect. I hope you guys give it a try. Enjoy.